Simple Drawing Art!
Hello everyone, welcome to the Simple Drawing Art channel. Today I will draw and color how to draw a carrot easy. Do you like eating carrots? Carrot is one of the vegetables that contain lot of vitamin A, which is good for the eyes. I will draw carrot with the stem and leaf. I colored the carrot stick orange. I colored the carrot stalk and leaf dark green and light green. Finish! Don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Bye bye.